All right, so a few things I really like about this. It's beefy as heck. This is, and it's really feels precise. Also, the key fobs, programming them was fairly easy. You can set your own password, and this also has a provision where you could type in BS numbers and then type in your password. So if somebody's watching, they don't get your password. So a lot of good features about this. The one thing I didn't like was the inside handle was plastic, but that's okay. Also, you get two key fobs, and so now it's unlocked, locked, and there's a much bigger lock when it's locked. So definitely a plus. I like these a lot. As you saw, installation was a breeze. So good on you, ONNAIS, or I don't know. It's very ONNAIS. Okay, why are we replacing a perfectly good door latch on a trailer? These. Well, first of all, I like the keyless because you always have to have the keys to work this. These just, there are better quality latches than these, and I like the ability to use remote control. So, surprisingly, it is ridiculously easy to replace these. So all you have to do, it is a one screwdriver and no damn it job. I describe the jobs as how many damn it's or F's it takes to accomplish them, and this should be a no F's job. So now what you have is the inner plate is off. I don't know if you can see this, but anyway, that's what it looks like inside. And see, it just works by moving this kind of hot metal trigger. And then to get the rest of it out, you just, oh my gosh, somebody was heavy with the screw gun. Now, sometimes you can reuse these outside screws and the striker plate, but you don't have to. And then, bing, bang, boom, it just comes right. This is the whole door latch. So, I'm not going to give you the code. So now we'll put the new one on in the same way, but, backwards. By the way, if you ever wonder, I don't know if you can see what an RV door is made out of. It's styrofoam. It's packaging material surrounded by fiberglass. So if you're ever like, oh, I want a more secure deadbolt, yeah, don't worry about it. Now this is pretty cool. They did include a new striker, or a new latch plate. I wonder if it will fit. Oh, it looks like it would. They include this tool to unscrew the. Okay, so as you can see, this comes in two parts, inner and outer, of course, with a cable to connect the two. So obviously you're going to want to disconnect this cable, which is easier said than done. Which is kind of a good thing. You don't want it just disconnecting, right? Okay, so now you have inner and outer. take the Audi, put it in here. So that's all that takes. And then the new striker, or the new latch plate. And they include the screws and everything. The semi going by on our street. Here. Shift the screwdriver into reverse. Oh, almost forgot this. This is a better. Okay, so now the actual outside handle is for the most part secure. What you have to do now, so if you look at the inside here, what you have to do is connect that wire and make sure the latch plate, that this latch, which is, that's plastic, that latch gets behind that mechanism. So if you look at how how this works, that pulls that. So first I'm going to connect the two. And it would help even if I connect them in the right direction. Let's just see. That was right there first. Okay, now, there, you hear the beep of success. Push this in like that. The other thing to make sure of is that the manual lock goes in the hole. So there's a few like fiddlinesses of any of these installations, but it's not a big deal. I said this wasn't any damaged job, but it might be one or two. Okay, I think we got it. Okay. We have installed a door handle. Let's try it. Oh, that opens nice. Huh. Ouch. Now these things are adjustable. These striker plates. I'm gonna adjust it in a wee bit, because that's a little looser than I'd like. That's better. Oh, I like that handle. That is just a nice quality feel. Huh. Now I want to show you something very different about these two. This is your typical RV door handle, right? See it? And here's what the deadbolt is. Do this. So the deadbolt is just this little teeny thing sticking out. Can you see that? this thing, apparently this whole thing is a deadbolt. That's what they claim. Oh yeah, for sure. Okay, nice. We also do have a full written review of this that is linked in the show notes. And if you're looking for great tips, tricks, ideas, destinations, all of that, plus we do a weekly RV and travel podcast. And that's all at stresslesscamping.com. So thank you so much for being here. I appreciate what you think of this and any questions, comments, or any of that. And most of all, stressless camping.